Look, man, you got like circles. Currently, they fight each other-ish. Look at that. Isn't that so cool? It's like puffer fish. Yeah, I'm trying to make like a game where you basically just get as many of these as possible. It's like an idle game, I guess. This is just simulating the game. There's no gameplay going on. How is CS and Unity? What's CS? C#? Oh. C# and Unity genuinely is like the best. It is the most enjoyable game dev of my life. Unity is so clean. It is so clean. Like literally, you got the scripts, you got the prefabs, and you just attach shit to it, you know? It's great. Currently, the system is that I have unicells. So this is the parent class. These are children. They have a unicell class, which is, it's meant to just be data, which is this shit. I hate your taskbar. This, oh yeah, okay, it's pretty bad. Anyway, yeah, the unicell is just data, mostly. And then I have one script that just manages all the unicells. But it's very performant. Like literally, this one script. Yeah, so I have a list of the unicells. It's literally just a list. And it goes through each one and basically makes it do something. Oh, see if it's like a blue unicell, it'll have unique stuff. It just iterates through them all. Yeah, pretty much. It's the best way to do it. It follows the entity component system pattern, which is basically that like a single entity controls all the like thousands of entities. I restarted this project and my FPS is like over quadrupled. Like straight up over quadrupled. Performance seems cracked. No, it's so good. I was capped at like 3,000 unicells and now I can get, okay, let's find out. This is 1,000. This is 3,000. This would heavily lag my game before I like restarted, and we have 200 FPS. This is 10,000. Kind of stuttery. But it works pretty well. They're very derpy though. I need to make them look... I mean, they are like single cells, I guess. I'm trying to make it so a cell, when it does like an inflation ability, it applies damage to whatever it's hitting. What is that, by the way? Why is there food? There's food in my game. I've not even coded that. Oh, they're dying. So now they've just hit each other. And now they won't fucking see each other again. What happens is, it's like, okay, I need to die. But it can't just die, because the manager is currently going through all the cells. So if a cell dies on the same tick while it's going through them, it bugs out. So instead it just goes, okay, I need to die. So it finishes it. It finishes processing all the cells. And then goes, okay, who needs to die? And then it kills them, which is what I'm looking for. Logic, it would be logic update. Okay, so it processes all the unicells. For unicells that need to be registered, add. For unicells that need to die, remove. So how about before we remove them from the list? Oh, that makes no sense. How does that even work? I have to remove them from the list and then also kill the object. Go through the list backwards. I did do that. And that did actually fix the error. The issue was that, for redundancy, if that's the word, if I did anything else, it would probably be just a little bit more stable to not touch the list until it's over. But you know what? Because Jack, you're smart as fuck. I will do that. Oh, that's fun. Nothing's moving. So instead of registering a unicell, oh man, this is so annoying. Just add it straight to the list. 800 FPS, but the performance is so good. Oh, can I pull up the other one? Oh, let me show you. Okay. So like I said, this is me restarting the project for performance reasons. Code base. The code base was ass. You cannot scale it. If you want to, the more you add to the game, the harder it gets. It's ridiculous, actually. So this was it before I gave up. So you've got these cells, and they have a level, and they have like mutations that you can have. And if they're good mutations, you can persist them, name them and stuff, and you can buy more here. So this is like the intended gameplay. If I do this, there you go. These pink ones stick to anyone. That was a boss signal. That. So they stick to people and kill them. And they kind of chain up. And it's visually quite appealing, I think. It looks quite cool. So what, 1.4 thousand it started lagging. This is 3,000. Again, they're not really colliding though, so. It's 5,000. This would not even run at all on the other one. Pretty good. I don't get how you stay motivated. Because this is enjoyable to me. This isn't like a it's a university project, but there's no pressure. This isn't due till April. I think, to me, I started a degree to guide me to teach myself properly. And it's done a really good job. Like, I've been taught, like, basics of something. If I want to take it further, I do. I think portfolio's more important than degree. Most of the time. If you're doing art or design, I'm saying that I am not qualified, by the way. I'm guessing. I'm completely guessing. I'm guessing if you're doing any art or design stuff, I think a portfolio's better. Like, oh, good job you graduated. So what have you made? Right? Surely. And then for coding, I think it's less important, but still good. But like my lecturer said, he said, if you want to do programming, the degree's more valuable. Like a good grade degree. But I think it's still like, okay, good job, but what have you coded? So this, my hope is that an employer will look at this code and be like, damn, this is good. This is nice. How do you play? Did you see me show the other project? You have like this ecosystem of cells, right? So this is like your currency, DNA, right? This is DNA, and you spawn with one circle, and it produces DNA, so it has an income for you, right? And that's basically it. And with that money, you purchase more unicells. There we go. So they die, and they drop some souls. And when you collect them, you spend them on a tech tree, which is this. So the first upgrade you can buy is automatic mitosis. Basically, when a circle dies, it'll immediately respawn. It'll be reborn through someone else. Yeah, that's the game. It's like a weird idle simulation kind of game. Yo, more programming, yes. This is my life. I made a stat page today. You click on a cell, you get the stats. And they have mutations now. So you set the speed to 7 yesterday. Now they all have a variation of it. Sick. I was gonna have it so when a cell multiplies, the child inherits its stat and then mutates it. Basically, I've coded evolution straight up. Like, this should work as evolution, which I think is pretty cool. And then soon I'll add a system where you can persist a cell, where you basically save it. So when it dies, it's reborn with the same stats, the same level. They have a level that'll make more sense later on down the line. Let's hook up this hide panel button to the UI manager. Oh, we did. Okay, now the button has to actually do something on click. Oh, it is on click. Hang on. On hide panel button click. Yeah, that makes sense. Let's give it the. Can I give it the class? UI. What the oh, that was it. No, I can't. I have to give it the game object. Boom. Okay. So you can have a peek on stats. Click on them, switch between them, close them. Peek, click. Hello, click. Nice. The inspiration for the UI is Factorio. Obviously, when you hover over an entity, a bunch of stats appear. The only difference is that you can click on them in this, which is useful. What isn't useful is I already don't know which cell it is. Also, what happens if it dies? I haven't coded that. Will I highlight the clicked cell? Of course. I doubt you remember, but I did do it in the other project. It's like, it looks like Factorio. It's literally like a outlined square. Take the outer color, make it lighter, and boom. Like unique to the entity. Okay, it's dead. The stats stay. Also, health doesn't update. Let's have it so if a cell dies. I can't do that. How do I do that? Does the unicell know if it's being... It knows if it's clicked on. Yeah, that makes sense. So what happens if I'm hovering a cell and it dies? Right, hovering... This is really tricky. This is really tricky. Okay, I don't think it gets stuck. Ah! This is the least testable shit ever. Oh, it does get stuck. I have to code a... These are public now. Is hovered. On mouse over. Is hovered equals true. Is hovered equals false. Very easy. Now the plan to fix these bugs, hello, will be when a cell dies. I've already forgotten how this is not... Handle death. Okay. Is persistent, save. Remove, destroy. Before you remove it, if it's hovered, honestly, or clicked. If it's hovered or clicked on, this script is gonna have to take its place by telling it to stop. How do I do that? Hiding it, just unlock and hide. Okay, so it's like a pretty aggressive function. That was very easy. Wow, okay. I think I've done it. Let's click on this one. It's this one up here. If it dies, it should close the panel automatically. Was it the other one? Is it this one? Oh no. To be honest. Okay, let's try this now. Why is it still not working? What about if I'm hovering? Okay, I think that works. Does the panel only update when you click on it? Yes. It's very efficient. Obviously, I understand that health will be an active thing, but I'll get to that later. We're coding now? Yes, this is a new era. How are you doing, Vintage, man? It's been ages. I mean, I live alone now. I'm in a shared flat, but bit dead? No, not really. I've actually really enjoyed my year so far. Since September. I buy bread and milk. God, it's tragic. But the most tragic thing is buying bread and it expires not even halfway through it. I think a week ago I bought bread and it expired before I opened it. Why does bread last 5 days? I'm just making like a derpy cellular simulation game. With the game being growing the ecosystem. And when they die, they drop these little things. Food. Oh, this guy's mad. Oh, he's so mad. This guy's just spinning. He doesn't even care. Oh, he's running away. My flea mechanic's working. Okay, so this panel works. Oh, does it? Let's find out one more time, even though I know this is gonna work. Checks out. Okay, yeah, this works really well. Now we can either do pink unicells, which looks like this. We could do this next, or we can. I mean, yeah, we should do this now. Now this is gonna prove how good my code is for scaling. So yeah, this is a pink unicell. The initial plan was that it would go towards any other unicell, and then basically stab it and like stick to it, and then slowly drain the target's health, which aesthetically will look pretty cool because I could allow it to like chain. So like, how can I do this? So I can have like this guy stuck to this guy, stuck to this guy, who's stuck to like this guy, and you get like these cool little clumps. Or maybe they spin, and that could work. I mean, the eye, I could fix the eye. But yeah, I could do this. Boom, and it's like a choo choo choo. It could add like those pinballs. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know how that would work. Maybe I could give it like low friction, and it kind of just acts like a pinball. Wait, let's do the easy version. Let's just do it so they just damage everyone that touches it, and then we can work from there. Where do I even start? How do I code a second species? Do you have any ideas for how it could work? Let me know. Oh my god. Okay, instantiate it. And then give it a transform. Blue. Nice. Alright, here we go. Pink. No way right now. No way. There they are. Oh! That happened. Oh my god. Oh, he's gone crazy. Oh my. Damn. Damn. I love this aesthetic though. This looks so nice. Apart from the speed bug, they seem to work. Oh, he sniped him. He's gonna win. He's gonna win. He's gonna win. Someone make a prediction. You have 5 seconds. Too late. Oh! They were babies, and then they grew up. Look at that. That looks so cool. Babies. Yeah, so the Peggle game happened. Do you want me to show you the final result? This is my game, guys. If you want to play it, you can. This is Pinnable, the good game. You collect marbles. You avoid... That looks sick, by the way. The graphics for the molten lava, amazing. Right, let's experience the music, shall we? Isn't this incredible, guys? What do you think? Thoughts, opinions? I'm actually gonna try, because I get annoyed at everyone playing this. I think they're ass. I'm gonna stream a second, player first. The highest score to beat is 1700. If I get 1800 or more, then this was worth my time. What's happening? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, nice, 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 nice. Juke, juke. That. Okay. 100% should have died there. To be fair, there was a bug that hit me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, I'm actually insane. Well, I'm levitating. Oh my god. Wait, that was actually fire, by the way. Like, that was actually fire. 2065. That was fire, though. That was well played. Nice. Yeah, 2065. Nice try, Lobo. Nice try, Lobo. Yeah, you have a Twitch link? Yeah, let's do mine. Me, I'm gonna go. That's really cringe. Nice try, though. Nice try. What did I miss while I was locked in for like 20 minutes? I am making a pre-titration schematic for Chem Lab tomorrow. Nice, man. What was I doing? Yeah, that was right, babies. Why do babies not work still? EU has laws for child labor. Babies aren't allowed to work. No, but they have to. Nobody's pregnant. Oh, you're pregnant. And then you're doing that. The whole point in babies was that you weren't meant to kill them. That's why I did it. Okay, babies aren't allowed any collision. Yeah, I like that. They are sleeping. Yes, okay. We're gonna make a sleeping unicell. Good night. Sleepy Joe, Sleepy Joe. Oh, I'm tired. Yeah, that looks pretty. I'm gonna overdo all the graphics later. Sleeping unicell. Perfect. Perfect. Is that not crazy? Now the pink one. Balloon's tack shooter. I know. It actually is. That's all I think about. Good night. Sleepy Joe. Okay. Also, by the way, it's an AI song, but I have like a vibey song that fits with the game. It's AI. I'm going to play it now. I'm going to play it now. Thoughts, guys? It doesn't stop. Thoughts on the song, please? My game is ass. This is the least playable shit ever. Oh, I can't wait to spawn my unicells. Alright, and they're dead. Music sounds fire, by the way. I agree. I was gonna say thank you, but it was made by AI. I'd like to disclaim this was made by AI. Is it meant to be played? Yes, this is a video game. Obviously, right now there's no gameplay features. I mean, this is basically the song. I think there's like one more bit now where it's like, you know? Yeah. So right now, I'm making everything that the game will have. Right? The actual game isn't fully decided, but generally it is to buy, like, you kind of purchase these cells with money, and then you make money from the cells in either them existing or them maybe interacting. Look at the food, by the way. Look how cool it is. They like float slightly. I hate all music artists except for Taylor Swifties. I kind of regret reading that string of messages. Ah, babies don't work. No, they do work. What am I talking about? My game's just flawed in every way. How do I fix that? If you collide with a baby, you shouldn't be you shouldn't be allowed to apply damage. It's not that funny. If the person you're colliding with is a baby is not a baby, you are allowed to hurt them. Legally have to have this feature, by the way. Is this game a metaphor for the white blood cells in your immune system fighting off diseases and your upgrades are new medical inventions / treatments throughout the ages? No. The end boss is cancer or COVID or something. Yeah, start strong, I guess. If you can kill babies, then you have to make it PEGI 18. Yes, this is a child game. Babies do not die. I think we've done it, by the way. I think we've done it. So babies, you can bump into babies. Oh, but okay. Now, I hope no one can hear me. So now adults will try and kill... I can't even say this out loud. Adults will try and kill the babies. Anyway. And they will just keep trying to kill them. Until they're not babies. Oh, this is awful. Let's solve this bug so that adults will not try to kill the babies. Just by removing the collider. Oh my god, unless... Oh, this could be cinematography. We don't give them the Unicell tag. Nope, new idea. Significantly better idea. We go to where Unicells can see, which will be proximity... Hello? 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 This is the function that basically gives them sight. So all we need to do is for each collider, if it's not a Unicell, or the hit collider... Nope. If the person near you is a Unicell, so if it is Unicell, if hit collider dot is baby, if the person you can see is a Unicell and they are not a baby, you may add them to the list. So yeah, I think that's that. So babies, people are now blind to babies. They don't know they exist, but they can still bump into them. Fuck it out, that was complicated. I should have just done the no collider thing. So you can bump into babies. No one can see the babies. The babies grow. Babies can't do anything. Babies don't work. Then they become adults. Then they do work. Cinema. Okay, here we go. Let's find out if this will sustain itself. Immediately we have 3 circles left. 4 circles. This guy's on an infinite chase. This feels natural. You have to imagine these guys are sleeping, by the way. We're at least 2 weeks away from, like, updating the game. Nice, and it didn't work. Oh, look! Look, it's a circle. Wait, hold on. I can feel it. I think we've hit a point now where, like, you can kind of experience. This really is cinema now. I'm like genuinely emotional. This is so good. Oh, that is so fulfilling, man. Oh my god. Should I make an egg? Should I make an egg sprite? And they like lay an egg. The single-celled organisms lay an egg. And then the egg hatches. Oh, well played, bro. Well played. Get him, bro, get him. Who's faster? Oh my god. Oh. 2 kills? Oh my god. He's going for a 3rd. Oh, he's fighting back. Oh my god, he's insane. Oh, little family going on. Bit of family drama now, and they're all dead. I love this. I'm kind of obsessed with this. Oh, I forgot about this part of the song. Alright, I think I need to end the stream because this was cinema. This whole stream building up to this moment. We're just on fire, by the way. This to-do list would not stay. Yellow Unicells. Guys, let's design the yellow Unicells. What is that? I just made cheese. Sorry for never showing up to streams. I already rarely use it, and since they started spamming ads, I just stopped. Yeah, no worries, man. No worries. I only appreciate people here, not criticizing those who aren't. Quote that, by the way. That was like a line. I do want to have a mechanic. I want to have like these like elite unicells that are like on a different league. If you know My Singing Monsters, they have like warbuxes. I want that in the future with Unicellular. It just kind of adds something, you know? How do you check what other cells are near a cell? It's a collider. It's a physics 2D overlap circle with a search radius from its position. Look into quad trees. Yes, I've heard of this. Firstly, I don't fully know what quad trees are. I have an idea. On Discord, I can jump in a call and give you a basic rundown. Yeah, I'm down.
Hello.
Hello.
Quad trees, they split up the world into small squares, and the each cell gets added into one of those different quad tree cells. And then when a cell wants to check its neighbors, all it has to do is look at the quad tree cells around it. You break it down into those squares like you can see there.
Yeah.
And then whatever cell, I'll just call them creatures so that we're not calling both them cells, but
Yeah,
whatever cell a creature is in, the creature just goes, okay, there's 8 or whatever cells around me. Check all of the creatures in those cells and my cell, and that's all of the ones that are next to me. You end up checking maybe 10 creatures instead of 4,000.
No, but to be fair, it doesn't check 4,000. It does like a circle around it, and it processes everything that's close to it.
Yes, but colliders is not efficient.
Yeah, true. Yeah, I could agree with that. That makes sense. Thank you, man. Explained it really well as well. I'll catch you in a bit, man.
I've got to get back to work. Yep,
yeah, no worries. See ya.
Yep.
My to-do list is just yellow unicells. And I made this. Okay. Immense progress today. Fucking hell, this is going crazy. If you're watching right now, I appreciate you being here. Hope you have the good rest of your time. See you guys next time. Goodbye.